Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. This item's been going viral for weeks and for a good... Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a